conducted and attended scores of ELT workshops and seminars within the country. He has been awarded honorary doctorate in ELT and applied linguistics by an American university due to his remarkable services in the field of ELT. He is a recipient of multiple national and international awards and gold medals in recognition of his outstanding academic achievements. He is currently teaching in the Islamia University of Bahawalpur, Pakistan. We welcome Professor Dr. Mohammed Safdar Bahati from Pakistan. Welcome, Professor.
Thank you very much, sir, for introducing me so nicely. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, sir, and we can see your presentation. There is no problem.
Okay, sir. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to everyone. This is Dr. Mohammed Safdar Bahati from the Islamic University of Bahawalpur, Pakistan. And the topic of my today's talk is Role of Technology in Learning English Language at BS Level, a Survey. And that is a brief sketch of my talk. Dear audience, technology is the study of scientific knowledge in order to create tools and processes that may be used to change the world by increasing efficiency in nearly every aspect of our lives. Technology has made our lives easier, and all human beings have become entirely dependent on technology. Technology refers to methods, systems, and devices which are the result of scientific knowledge being used for practical purposes. It is changing fast. They should be allowed to wait for cheaper technologies to be developed. The purpose of technology is to meet the human need or solve a human problem. Technology can help meet many types of human needs, like needs of shelter, food, clothing, and communication. Teaching and learning of the English language is one of the main concerns of many educational institutions because English is not only the international language and lingua franca of the world's citizens, but also it is the storehouse of knowledge. Therefore, attempts have been made to enhance English language teaching and make it more advanced. According to Adams, English is a subject ready to think about new ways of constructing reading and writing and about the pedagogical value of collective work and the possibilities afforded by the renaissance of learning made possible through ICT. ICTs, the digital technologies, are powerful educational tools, and their use has a significant role in the transfiguration of the pedagogy of teaching and learning. ICT provide opportunities for exploring the communicative power of the English learners by engaging them in exploring literary text and several other interactive activities an existing way. Likewise, computer-based activities enhance interaction and collaboration and provide unique opportunities for the development of the learner's spoken and written language capabilities. The spreading innovations in ICTs such as personal computers, internet, mobile phones, and many other ICT tools have caused a paradigm shift in teaching and learning of all subjects, and the traditional model of teaching and learning has been replaced by transformed pedagogy. A paradigm shift in education is a change in the concept and procedures of teaching and learning. The objectives of my study were to stimulate the sight and the hearing of the students to enhance their language learning, to find out whether technology can students' interest in studying English at BS level, to highlight the role of technology in teaching learning situation to facilitate the learners, to improve the four language skills of students with the association of technology, to prove the value of technology to embellish the English language learning. My research questions were, what are the BS level teachers' conceptions regarding implementation of technology, and what is the impact of technology on both teaching and learning practices? What types of technologies are available at BS level for the students? What are the problems faced by the students in assessing technology at BS level? Whether it is possible through the use of computer to make students independent learners of English language or not. Dear all, the mixing of ICT in educational field has been seen as the instrument to assist teachers, students, and educationists to understand the potential of the new technological apparatus to revolutionize an outdated educational system. ICTs are merely a delivery mechanism for teaching and learning, while it is the foundational pedagogy that matters. 200 teachers and 50 students from the Islamic University of Bahawalpur, Pakistan participated in this study. It was a survey-based research based on quantitative approach, and stratified random sampling was done. The questionnaire for the students and separate questionnaire for the students and the teachers were used as a tool to collect the data from the respondents. Data were transferred to SPSS 16 for statistical analysis by applying statistical tests including percentage and mean analysis. Teachers' perceptions about availability of technology, that is the brief sketch of that, and teachers' perceptions about problems relating to the accessibility of technology, and that is its brief sketch. Now I would like to move towards the findings and the conclusions. Dear all, ICTs are found to contribute several benefits to ELT in higher education in Bahawalpur, Pakistan. The technologies are useful for the teachers for collecting teaching learning resources, preparing and presenting the lessons, motivating the students, making more frequent interactions, and providing the students with feedback. Likewise, ICTs are helpful for the students for collecting learning resources, making interactions and collaborations, increasing exposure to English, and developing their learning autonomy. However, there are many problems there and challenges in the integration of ICTs in ELT in higher education institutions in Pakistan. The teachers and students encounter problems related to infrastructure management, technological skills, pedagogical skills, curriculum and textbooks, and attitudes of the parents. Now, I would like to give some suggestions and recommendations. In this study, attempts were made to develop a rapport with the teachers and students to understand their use of ICTs in English language teaching and the problems and the challenges they encountered in their learning process. The use of ICTs in the teaching and learning activities of the teachers and students was frequently hampered by inefficiency of the infrastructural resources such as low internet speed, irregular power supply, and inadequate number of computers in e-library and ICT lab. Likewise, the students did not have a good technological knowledge to handle the ICT tools to be able to use their productive benefits. More importantly, the teachers did not have adequate pedagogical skills to engage the students quite a lot in using ICT for assessing information and collaborative learning. The teachers and students both found ICT beneficial in ELT. The teachers shared their experiences that ICTs have significant importance for increasing the amount of exposure to English to practice all language skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing, and grammar. They can provide the students with language skills, learning resources, and activities anywhere and anytime they like. The students opined that one of their main problems was poor management of ICT infrastructure, lack of regular electric supply, and low internet speed were some of the main problems they encountered. So the recommendations and findings of this study should be taken into careful consideration, and steps should be taken to implement those in the classrooms. These were some references from which I got the help, and thanks for joining me. And any question, please? That's all from my side, dear all.
Okay, thank you so much, Professor. Is there any questions or any contributions?
So nice of you, sir.
Okay, there seems to be no questions for now. Professor, thank you again. Thank you so much for your presentation.
So nice of you, sir. Thank you very much for giving me this chance to speak in your multiple conferences as a keynote speaker. Hope to see you again. Thank you.
Of course, Professor. Thank you for honoring us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.